ChatGPT or Google Gemini? Which AI is actually smarter in 2026? Let's compare them side by side. Both are powerful AI assistants, but they're built for different purposes. ChatGPT is known for creativity, while Gemini is deeply connected with Google's ecosystem. For writing emails, YouTube scripts, blogs, and social media posts, ChatGPT usually creates more natural and engaging content. Gemini has a strong advantage when working with Google's services and recent web information. Both AI tools can write code, but ChatGPT usually explains programming concepts more clearly. If you work inside Gmail, Google Docs, and Drive, Gemini offers excellent integration. Here's the final comparison.